Welcome. My name is Kali Muscle, and I've been on the internet for 21 years since MySpace. Been on YouTube the longest, 16 years, of course. Facebook, 15 years. Instagram, about 14. Been on Twitter for about 14 years as well. TikTok is the latest one that I enjoy the most. And that's what we're going to be talking about here today, is all the ways how to make money on TikTok. My experience with TikTok is not the greatest. Hated TikTok, to be honest. Didn't see the purpose. I knew it was going to mess up long form content. It did, but I foreseen it. I was in the future and I saw it coming because I knew the attention span was going to get shorter and it was going to drive people to watch more short form content. So I even did a video about it. Maybe I could find it, put a little in here, but I was with the Senate. I was with the government, banned TikTok. And I'm talking about, this was about 4 years ago. This is my page now, guys. Make sure you go follow it. 89,000. By the time you see this, should be at 100,000. But let me go to my other TikTok. So this TikTok has 7.2 million. This is what made me start doing TikTok. What happened was I actually started the page with 89,000 in 2021, but I didn't post on there. I posted one video. It did 200,000 views, and to me that was low at the time, so I just stopped using it. So yeah, me and my business partner seen a guy. He was ripping our content, and we got upset. Our content was taking us a lot of money to produce, and for somebody to just come in and rip it and post it hurt our soul. We contacted him, didn't go well. I contacted him a second time, and he was like, he wanted to sell it to me. TikTok page. At this point, it had about 2 million. And so I asked him how much, and he said $2,000. And I said, I'll give you $1,500. So he took it. I got all my assets and kept him on. I hired him to keep doing videos. And the Russia-Ukraine thing happened. And so they shut him down from getting payment, and that stopped him from posting for me. So I tried to post myself, and it just wasn't happening. I wasn't connecting. I did on a few posts. The unfortunate part of him starting that, it was registered in Russia. It's still to this day, even though I showed them that it's mine, and I verified my number, my address, everything. So just here recently, I was able to become a seller on this account. So I don't know if it's activated or not, but basically this page is, in my eyes, useless. But I do use it to share people in my program videos, my business partner videos. So we are leveraging it to post. But ultimately, if you can't make money with a page, it's like just useless in my eyes, especially with every platform being monetized nowadays. Just here a few months ago, my business partner got monetized on his TikTok, and he showed me, and he's like, I need to start up my TikTok page. So I was reluctant. I was like, man, I don't want to, because this TikTok page right here, 89,000, it only had about maybe 3,000 or something like that. And I'm like, man, I got to grind for another whole TikTok page. Once I seen his was monetized, I started posting videos on there, and it got to 10,000 because you had to have 10,000 to get monetized. So I got to 10,000 quick in like a few weeks and got monetized. And so I got excited for this page. And for me, it's tough because I'm not used to starting from the bottom, these days. So it's been a grind. This week alone, I got 30,000 new followers on this account because of this top video up here with 8.9 million. Then another one, 2.9 million. So we've been going viral. So we make an ad revenue. Let me show you guys, because a lot of people talk about it, but I know you guys haven't really seen it.
Do you want to use social media to become financially free? Well, if so, I'll let you in on my secrets on how I use social media to escape the matrix. I will share your videos and content to my mega following of 20 million plus followers. This is the perfect time for you to take charge and become the financial asset for yourself and your family.
So the last 7 days say it made $900. I want to go to a month. We got all these people yapping on here, and they ain't even got no following. We don't know who they are, nothing. Let me do one where it's truthful, because we don't know if these people truthful or not, because you can Photoshop numbers on here. So it say right here, 971.94 cents in the last 7 days. So as we see right here, 517. Ultimately, I'm making over $100 a day. All comes together. So we see here May 17th, $75, 18th, 108, 19th, 122. The 20th, something went viral, so I made 253. May 21st, 154. So that equals out to maybe $110 a day or something like that. You know, that's enough money to, you know, feed my kids and my wife. So yeah, because it's expensive where I'm at. So bam, that's ad revenue. You know, I encourage everybody to do everything they can to get monetized. Then we go here, TikTok shop for creator. This is a great thing for people that want to make money. All you need now is 1,000 followers to become a part of the affiliate program. It's not like people say, you know what I mean? I see people on here talk about they making 100, 200,000 in a month, and I haven't seen that. And I went viral for a product. So as we see today, I made $23 today. And that's just on passive income. You know, I did some videos, they posted, people see them, they go buy something, right? So the last 7 days, say I made $401. Product views, 575,000. GMV is what the other people make that you're selling for. We inside this. I know a lot of you guys, this is going to be new to you. You haven't seen it. Because I hadn't seen it until I did it. I'd see all these other people and it irks me, man, how people are selling programs and they talking more numbers than they actually making. And here it is, you know, I got 21 million plus followers across all platforms. And I'm not selling like how they talking about. So let's go to custom. I want to go to the last 30 days. We'll go to April because this was the first month I started seeing money. So we go to April. I made $10,600 for the month. I sold 426 items. I got commission of 1,600 out of 10,000. We almost got a million product views, 14,000 product clicks. So this is the big seller for me right here, the D-Home 6-in-1 8-head electric shaver. In April, I sold 300 of those. Then I sold 14 juicers, 60 iPhone tripod. Let's go to May. Let's see how I'm doing this month. So this month looks the same. So I made 9,000 total in sales, which is their money. I sold 388 and I still got 1,600. Commission based 10.4K. Product views, more views, 1.3 million views, less clicks. 12.1K, and it's still the head shaver, 281 sold, cold press machine, 16, still a lot of those tripods, 56 tripods. So that's the affiliate marketing. Then also you get paid from live streaming, which live streaming, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, is real shaky. If you saying stuff that they don't like or whatever, or if they think it's unoriginal, it will hurt your TikTok page. So my experience with all this is, especially if you're up and coming social media influencer, you want to do this. The reason I got on here is because I'm going to eventually sell some type of product, either it be digital or physical. And so I wanted to test it. You know, we can hear everything, everybody's opinions or how they do things, but you got to learn for yourself. So, you know, I wanted to learn for myself. I'm learning is actually fun. You get a lot of free stuff sent to you. And you know, I got kids, so I'm getting remote control cars, I'm getting games sent, I'm getting all type of stuff sent. I'm utilizing. You know what I mean? Headphones, you know, getting stuff like this, headphones, and getting games like this. Oh, right there, getting games, controllers, just all type of stuff, which is awesome. And you can, when you get this stuff, you can either live stream or do videos. If it's a product that I don't think is viral, I will live stream it to just get it out the way. But if it's a product that I think could go viral and I can make a lot of money, so man, that's TikTok, man. I hate to hear that it's going, but I don't mind because it'll open up doors on other platforms. The problem I have with TikTok, they're doing a lot of unoriginal content, and the video that you see here that hit 8.9 right here, this video, they said it was unoriginal. Look, they had telling me to add location. Let me add location. I had location on there. Yeah, they do tricky things where you got to be careful with that, but overall, TikTok is fun, man. You know, you can make money, passive income to help pay the bills, and you get lucky, get a viral video, you can get wealthy where you can invest in something. Well, not wealthy. You just get a huge sum of money where you can invest in something else. So that's my overall purpose of being on social media, period, is to gain capital so I can invest in some apartment buildings, complexes, duplexes, houses, things of that nature. And I didn't think like that till recently. At first, I was just, ad revenue. I was a view whore. You know what I mean? I did things for views. And now, as I've been in it all these years, I know that they can falter and they can just stop payment at any time. And then they pay you when they want to. So it has this more pros than cons. Let me say, I love social media. I don't know where I would be without social media. I love every platform, to be honest. I don't have I hate this platform. Everyone has its purpose. It's a tool for you guys to utilize to make money so you can invest in something else that's long last, a legacy. So that's the key with social media. So shouldn't nobody get upset, because you got to look at it like, what if it's your website? Would you want somebody cursing? Would you want somebody doing these foul things that hurt your money in the long run? Because these companies do work for the big dogs. They paying ad money to these companies, and these companies got to abide by basically their rules to get the money. TikTok so far been good to me. I went through, like I say, some hiccup, but that's normal with social media. It's going to happen. Whatever you do in life, you work at a job, if you work for yourself, especially yourself, you got to be on point and you got to be harder on yourself than anything to have a successful business. And so you just got to abide by the rules. I have been reading the guidelines lately, so I know really what's going on with all platforms, man. You can't do what you want. If you think you're going to be cursing, acting a fool, or doing things against the guidelines, you will get banned. You will get shadow banned. I've been through all of it. Believe me. Utilize TikTok to the utmost. It's the easiest platform to grow on. It's the easiest platform to make money on. I must say, man, I encourage all of you that's viewing, get on TikTok. And I tell everybody in my program to get on TikTok ASAP and just start posting random stuff, fun stuff, educational stuff. My stuff right now is a mix of education and me having fun, to be actually showing off my ripped body. On every other platform is education for me. TikTok and Snapchat, I'm having fun and just getting out, because I'm a natural and true entertainer. If I had a choice, that's all I would do. But I know for the long run, social media, like I said, I can't be dependent on entertainment money. So that's why now I teach. So I'm the coach. You know what I mean? I'm the coach, and I want to see you guys win. If you win, I'm winning. Simple as that, man. So much love. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Get on it. I don't care how old you are, how young you are. Utilize it. It's a tool in the arsenal to get that paper up, man. And monetize your ad. Get monetized on ads. Get affiliate marketer, live stream. Utilize it to the fullest, man. Much love. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.